Well, I guess we're not going to town today. It's a little after 10 o'clock. We just got up not long ago. We had hoped to go grocery shopping, but not in this weather. This is one of those serious kind of snow accumulations. Two hours later, noontime, and it's still coming down. Not quite as much as earlier, but enough to make quite a bit of accumulation here. And it's still coming down. As usual with men, we overestimate inches. I thought that it was more than 4 inches, but James just measured right here, and it's 4 inches. It's basically been snowing all day. Even Nevada City has gotten a lot of snow today. Looks like we're going to have to clear off the satellite dish pretty soon, otherwise the reception will be compromised. And we can't have that now, can we? This tree is pretty neat too, with all the snow on the pine needles. It's really the most spectacular part of the snowfall are the trees. Still coming down pretty good.